Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To raise and support our vehicle, put a floor jack right in here in the subframe. You can lift up the front of the vehicle. And over here in the frame rails, actually where our lift arms are, there's 2 notches cut out in the frame rail. That's where you want to put a jack stand right there on either side. So you could jack it up in the center in the front, put a jack stand on the side, or if you just wanted to work on one side of the vehicle, you could roll a jack under here, jack it up in the subframe, lift it up, put your jack stand under here on the frame rail, remove your tire and wheel, and do your work. The back of the vehicle, you can roll in a floor jack, put it right here, lift up on the subframe, and then again where our lift arms are, there's 2 notches in the frame rail on both sides. You can put your floor jacks under here and support the vehicle. Sometimes it's easier just to jack up in the single point in the back and then put 2 jack stands. And you can take off your wheels and do your work.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.